Hey, welcome back to another video. I'm gonna try something a little bit different. You haven't checked out another YouTube channel called Drew Looking Fishy. He does some great fly fishing videos, and he basically doesn't talk, and it's just all about the outdoors. And I have gotten a new job recently. Water temp has been horribly high, and so I haven't been out fishing or at least fly fishing, in probably close to 3 months here, maybe longer. So I'm really just going to leave it at a quick intro here. I'm going to just kind of let nature sounds happen with no music, and I'm just kind of curious what you think of it. So leave some comments, tell me what you think. Not even going to do an outro, so, you know, like, comment, subscribe, do the old YouTube thingy. But otherwise, I'm just going to have pretty minimal edited fly fishing happening today, mainly using hopper droppers, and I have a nymph rig with a Pat Dorsey yarn indicator that I did pretty well on a holy grail nymph and a small little BWO. So there you go. Hopefully you enjoy. There we go. Boy, I had to work for that guy. Nice little brown. Well, skinny little brown. Look at that guy. Definitely not as meaty as I was hoping to see him. Not going to spend a lot of time with a lot of water here. It's been really hot. It's not too bad now. You know, I haven't been able to fish for a couple months, but it's been really hot, and so I don't want to stress these fish out. So we'll do a quick release to the camera and kind of show it, and it'll be a little bit more relaxed video without a whole lot going on. There we go. Oh boy. Fish has been off this hopper dropper, so just a chubby Chernobyl and a holy grail nymph. This is olive, but honestly I think tan is the best color. Oh boy, there we go. Don't let anybody ever tell you small flies don't work. I think it's a size 18 or I think 18. Yeah, this guy's obviously stocked. Boy, poor guy. There we go. Nice rainbow. It's that holy grail nymph dropper. Alright, buddy, come here. Yeah, it's a pretty little rainbow.